Hey guys, welcome back to yet another episode of Alecia's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll be doing something a little different. So today I'll be doing a fresh berry parfait, and this is a delicious breakfast snack, even for dessert. It looks great in glass, but you can also use it in ramekins or whatever you guys have on hand. So guys, I'm going in with strawberry and vanilla flavor Yoplait yogurt. You guys can go in with whatever flavor you like, but strawberry is my favorite. Oh yeah, that's my favorite fruit. So yeah, I'll also be using some berries just to stack that on, and also some granola and mint leaves for garnishing. Now guys, parfait might sound a bit fancy, but trust me, it really isn't. In reality, it's just layers of raw yogurt, fresh berries, and granola. That's just it. And also guys, you can use whatever fruits you like. Also, you don't have to go in with your yogurt first. You can always go in with your fruits, or you can even go in with your granola. Whatever you like best. It's not an actual recipe. You guys can just do whatever you want. It's just granola, fruits, and yogurt, and that's parfait. Really. So guys, I'm just stacking my strawberry on that yogurt, then I'm topping that off with my granola, and you're just gonna repeat the process. Yeah. Now guys, I'll be piping some whipped cream on the top, and I'm just gonna add my mint leaf for garnish. And I'll also be drizzling some granola on the top, you know, just a little something something. And guys, that's our parfait, you know. I'll do some little decoration on the plate just so it looks nice, you know, it's optional. Our parfaits are all finished. We're ready to eat. Now guys, thank you once more for tuning into yet another amazing video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Go follow me on IG at Alecia's_kitchen, and also turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you once more guys. Mwah. And I'll see you guys in my next video.